Hi guys! Do you want to create this After Effects like CC with Capcut? Keep watching till the end. Before we begin, do not forget to like the video, comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more video editing tutorials. With that being said, let's get started. Import your clips into Capcut. Go to Filters. Under Retro, select Friends. Next, go to Adjust. Set brightness to 8. Contrast to 8. Saturation 10. Brilliance 10. Sharpen 100. Highlights 50. Shadows 15. Vignettes 15. Next, go to Overlay, add a black background, fit it to screen, and extend it to the end. Go to Opacity and reduce it to 10. Next, add this gradient color photo as overlay. Go to Blend and select Overlay. Adjust it to 60. And here's the final results. Thanks for watching, and much love I got for you.